All right, we are making a 10 to add, and today we are on lesson 12, and we are on page 265. Grab my tool, and it says, look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 5. Example, 7 plus 5. Okay, here they have, I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7. Okay? And then they added 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when they added 5 more, you can see that they went to go fill up that 10 frame first, right? So if you have 7 plus 5, and you can think of 5 right there. Think about what 7 is. How many more do you need to get to 10? 7, 8, 9, 10. I only need 3 more to get to 10, right? So 7 and 3 is 10. And then how many are left? Plus 2. So 10 plus 2 equals 13. Let's go over here, and if you have your whiteboard, you can write this with me. This will help you remember how to add to teen numbers, right? 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 10 plus 9 equals 19. So making these teen numbers by adding 10 and at least 1 1 or 2 ones, okay? The other thing that will help you is thinking of how many more to make a 10. So on the other side of your whiteboard, we're gonna make 10, okay? So I'm gonna write 0 plus, 0 plus, oops, 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, and you're writing this too, right? 4 plus, 5 plus, 6 plus, 7 plus, 8 plus, 9 plus. So making 10, right? So 0 plus 10 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Are you starting to see this pattern? 5 plus 5, ooh, there's our doubles, equals 10. Again, 6 plus 4 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So thinking about how you can make 10 really quickly off the top of your head. If you have 10, how many more do you need to get to 10? None. You already have 10. If you have 9, how many more do you need to get to 10? 1. If I have 3, how many more do I need to get to 10? 7. If I have 4, how many more do I need to get to 10? 6. So practicing like that will really help, okay? So let's go down here. We have 7 plus 6, okay? Let's think about 7 because 7 is our greater number. 8, 9, 10. I'm going to borrow 3 from this 6, okay? Here I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I put it in my 10 frames, I have 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 10, and how many more? Plus 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. So 7 plus 6 equals 13 also. 10 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 6 because everything on this side of the equal sign is equal to everything on this side of the equal sign. They are balanced. They are equal on both sides. Find 8 plus 6. So here's 8. 8's my greater number, so we're filling that in first, right? Plus 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 2 out of the 6 plus that 8 makes my 10. How many do I have on bottom? 4. So 10 plus 4 equals 14, and 8 plus 6 equals 14. 10 plus 4 is equal to 8 plus 6. They are the same on both sides of the equal symbol. Okay, so now we're going to go over to page 266. All right, you moved on to page 266. It says draw counters to make a 10. Use 2 colors. Is the equation true, which means it is equal on both sides, or is it false, which means they are not equal on both sides of the equation? Okay, so here we have 8 plus 7. 8 is our greater number, so we're going to draw 8 inside of here, okay? I'm going to get bigger dots. So I'm going to put 8 dots in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to check that off. I've done those 8. Have I added the 7 yet? Nope. So I need to make 7 dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I add 7 dots? Yep, 5, 6, 7. I did. Now, am I done? Sometimes they try to trick us and they try to tell us that and it's typed in there so we think that it's correct. But it says the total is 14 here. What do we have inside of this box? Right? We have a group of 10. And how many ones do we have underneath? Right, we have 5 ones. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Is this a true statement? No, it is not. 8 plus 7 is 15, and 15 is not equal to 14. It is not equal. So I am going to circle false. It is not equal. All right, we're going to go on to find 9 plus 6. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a bigger font and fill in 9. 9 is the greater number there, so I'm going to fill in 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, when I look at my 10 frame, I can see that it is full and 5 is on top and 5 is on bottom. 5 plus 5 equals 10 again, and 5 more. 10 plus 5 is 15. So here it says 10 plus, and how many were on the bottom? 5. And 10 plus 5 is 15. That means that 9 plus 6 is also 15. Let's write how they are equal to each other. I'm going to grab a smaller pen. I'm going to write 10 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus 6. They have the same total. 10 plus 5 is 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 is equal to 15. It is a true statement. Let's go on to 9 plus 7. Grab my thicker marker. Here we go. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. New line. 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to add 6 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have a group of 10. And I'm adding 5 more. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So I'm going to put those 5 ones here. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 9 plus 7. Did I do that right? No. I'm going to go back. So 9 plus 7. Here's my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here I have my group of 10. And how many more ones do I have down here? 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 6 is 16. So 9 plus 7 is also 16. Let's write that in an equation. 10 plus 6 is equal to 9 plus 7. 10 plus 6 is 16, and 9 plus 7 is 16. It is a true statement.